If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I have a recipe which will only require your instant pot or if you have a pressure cooker. And it's very simple, very less ingredients, and it's also a very healthy dish that I'm going to be making today. Okay, so the dish that I'm making is lentils or slash, you can call it dal. We call it dal, and in English it's called lentils. So it's going to be a mix of lentils with some onion, tomato to spice it up, some green chili, spices, and that is it basically. So let's get started, and let me first show you what all lentils I have over here. So this is Toor Dal. I'm using Toor Dal. I'm using Masoor Dal. I'm using black split lentils. This is called urad chilka. And I'm using green Moong Dal. Okay, these are for the dal. So what I did over here, I have all these lentils that I soaked for like 1 hour in hot water. And I have some onion, green chili, tomatoes, salt, cumin seed, paprika, turmeric, a little bit of mustard oil. If you don't want to use mustard oil, it's okay. Go ahead and use any other oil you have, and some ginger garlic paste. So this is all you need to make your lentil extremely delicious. And lentils are very good and very rich in vitamins, so it's really good for health, and it's very important to add this to your diet. Okay, so first thing, my instant pot is on and it's in saute mode, so you also have to do that. I'm gonna add in mustard oil, and to this I'm going to add cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste. Just gonna mix it a little bit. And the recipe for this video, like the entire recipe with description and instructions and ingredients, measurements, will be in the description box below. I will give you the link to this recipe in the description box below. Now we're gonna add in the onions and green chili. I am just gonna saute them for like 5 to 6 minutes. It doesn't have to get caramelized, just a little bit of like slightly golden brown. And I'm gonna show it to you when it gets there. Now I'm gonna add in the tomato. Just give it a slight mix. I'm gonna add the rest of spices like turmeric, salt. You can add salt as per to your liking, and a little bit of paprika. Now I'm gonna add water to this. I'm gonna add water little by little so that I can control how much ever I want. I'm gonna let this cook for 5 minutes and then finally add the lentils, and that is basically it. Okay, one last thing that I'm gonna add is dried red chilies. So I'm adding 2 of them, gonna split in half. And the best thing about I like about Instant Pot is that I don't have to stand in the kitchen and keep cooking it. I just need to put everything in here, and this really will do all of the work for me. Now I'm gonna add the lentils. I'm doing mixed lentils, but you can obviously add whatever lentils you like. I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. Again, don't worry, the link is in the description box with the exact measurements and everything for this recipe, so do not worry about that. Just give it a good mix and cover it. Switch on the pressure cook mode, and you want to pressure cook it for like 8 minutes, and this baby will cook on its own. So it's all ready. You don't have to worry about it, just leave it here and it's gonna do the magic. It's finally done and I'm super excited to taste this. You can see how colorful this is and the consistency is perfect. If you like a thick kind of dal, just reduce the water. If you like it runny, just add more water. And it is colorful, super colorful dal, because remember we added different colors of lentils like brown and black and green and yellow, so that is what is here. And let's taste this dal. Take it a bit. It's gonna be hot, so just be careful. Oh my god, it is so soothing. The flavors are amazing. I can literally feel the ginger and garlic and all the spices. It is delicious and it is so amazing for this winter because lentils and dals are like, you can even have it as a soup. So just take it in a bowl, sit on a couch, watch some TV and just enjoy this warm lentil soup or dal. So you can serve this dal with plain rice, and one of our favorite kind of rice is paneer rice, which goes delicious, which like tastes delicious when you mix it with dal. I'm gonna link the card above for paneer fried rice and you can check it out and enjoy the recipe. So that's all for today and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Do try it and let me know in the comment section below how you liked this recipe, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like my recipes, comment below and subscribe